Hey guys, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine, and welcome if you're new. Today I'm participating in another Look for Less challenge, and this is hosted by Yami from the Latina Next Door, and her co-host this month is Lindsay from Domer Home. So for this Look for Less challenge, I had my eye on a shelf that I saw on the Pottery Barn website that was normally $129, and it was on sale for $123, and I knew with the wood and stuff that we already had that I could make it for much cheaper. So if you'd like to see how we did this, please keep watching. Now we already had this wood on hand. We have a big stack of barn wood that I like to pick through and choose for different projects, but it does need quite a bit of work. So what I had to do first was, actually my husband cut it down to the size that we decided on, and then I took our sander and just gave it a good sanding because it's really rough. So after I was done sanding, I took it outside and stained it, and I used 3 different colors because I'm never happy with one certain color. I used this weathered oak, briar smoke, and a dark walnut, and I just layered them on top of each other, and then you wipe away the excess. And then when my husband got home from work after these had dried, we put them together. And we pre-drilled a couple of holes because the screws that we had on hand were a little bit long, so he wanted to, I think it's called countersink them in. So we did that, and then we measured the wall, hung it up where we wanted, and then I didn't have the hooks that I thought I did, so I had to run to the hardware store, and that's where the cost came in because I didn't have those. They were $4 at the hardware store, and I think they're really cute. I would have liked to have the ones that were in the picture, but I could not find those. I told you that happens at the worst times.
Yeah, double check it.
Is that right?
That good?
Yep.
Alright.
Or my hand.
Move your right hand to the right. To the left, I'm sorry. Right there. Move your head. You can duck your head down a little bit more. I don't want your hairs to get. There's all kinds of in here, dude. Okay, you can take it down now. So I hope you liked this month's Look for Less challenge, and I'm really happy with how the shelf turned out. I think it was meant to be there right next to our door. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this DIY, and don't forget to head on over to the playlist and watch to see what everybody else made for their Look for Less challenge. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday weekend. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!